Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin CPI pump coming. A huge cross for Bitcoin and what this means for altcoins. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including how a CPI pump is incoming and potential good news for altcoins. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed neutral, 52, pretty much same place we've been for the past few days. The overall market down 0.5% today. Bitcoin at 27,519, Ethereum at 1830, BNB at 312, XRP 42 cents, Cardano 36 cents, Dogecoin 7 cents, Solana 2064, and Polygon 86 cents. And the top coins today based on AI would be Cosmos Hub, Phantom, Ocean Protocol, Anchor Network, and Aragon. And there is a free trial to Token Metrics down in the description. Now, Bitcoin today, following this downtrend, which if it does bring us to all the way at the bottom of this multi-year uptrend that Bitcoin has been in, well, that would be right around $24,500, which is an area, if you watch yesterday's video, a lot of people are predicting Bitcoin to hit, especially with this little head and shoulders formation we have right here, predicts $24,000. Bitcoin could find support on top of this blue box that we have, resistance back here in February. Now, if we take a look, the US interest rates are now at the same level that it was when the 2008 financial crisis market declined. This is the interest level that broke the market back in 2008. Is this sustainable? Now, it's going to be very interesting to see potentially what happens. Will this cause markets to crash? Also, something very interesting cooking when we take a look at Bitcoin versus DXY. We have a head and shoulders on a nice longer time frame here for DXY, which would indicate DXY price coming down. We have an inverted head and shoulders for Bitcoin. Now, this is a longer time frame than the one that we were talking about right up here. But when we take a look at that, this would mean Bitcoin price would go up and DXY would go down. It's only a matter of time. Whales are doing the same accumulation during Bitcoin bottom phase that they've done previously. This is 2014 to 2017 plus. This is indicated in different chart patterns. So basically, we had breaking through the bottom, a double bottom down here, consolidation before what was previously support, becoming resistance at this point. Once breaking through there, price went on a massive rally. Well, we have the same thing. We have support, breakthrough to the bottom, inverse head and shoulder bottom formation, and then consolidation right under those same levels, under $30,000 levels. Consolidation there, whales are buying back up before the price gets pumped and they're able to sell the top. As a matter of fact, interesting chart. Haven't seen this one yet, but when we compare Bitcoin versus CPI numbers, when we match Bitcoin to US Consumer Price Index year on year, it's very clear that obvious drops indicated here in these red circles cause Bitcoin to shoot up drastically. The bull run sustains for several months. Take a look at this. As the CPI goes down, Bitcoin price goes up. Each time this has happened. Very, very interesting. But when we take a look at this time, over the past few months, CPI coming down, Bitcoin has yet to really rally on the same massive scale we saw previously with all these CPI correlations. But very, very interesting chart there from Trader Tardigrade. Now, huge cross for Bitcoin. This is huge on the 2-week chart. The longer the time frame, the more impactful it could potentially be. For just the 6th time in history, Bitcoin has had a golden cross, also called a bullish Tenkan Kijun cross in Ichimoku system. Anytime it occurs, it's followed by a new uptrend for Bitcoin. The last golden cross occurred 3 years ago, right when Bitcoin went from $10,000 to $70,000. Now, previously, this also attributed for pretty massive rallies. I mean, this one's 3,500%. This one's 800%. This one's almost 6,000%. This one, smallest one by far, 134%. And this one right here, 700%. Well, we just had a cross once again. How high will Bitcoin go? Could be having a first stop in the roughly $44,000 territory with taking a look at the Pi cycle top indicator. Anytime the yellow 111-day moving average starts to uptick, meaning change the direction from down to up, it's only a matter of time before Bitcoin price hits its first mid-cycle top at this green line right here, the 350-day moving average. Right now, that's at $44,253. So that could be the first price target for Bitcoin. And if you have been loading up on some altcoins, we may be on the verge of massive alt season. Taking a look at Bitcoin dominance, we're in this sideways channel. Bitcoin dominance dropping, altcoins go up. Well, right now we've topped out on that channel. Coming back down could have an alt season incoming. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.